Hi there. It's great to have you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. It was completely unexpected to see this today, guys from UBS, who are both breaking news and Ripple partners. This is why I looked into it. Despite their status as a Ripple partner, this has nothing to do with any sort of cooperation or advance payment abroad. Which is something to think about when they warn their investors that the dollar's value could decline. So, they really want their investors to diversify their bets. On Monday, the illustrious banking firm UBS warned investors in a detailed advice release that the US currency could continue its fall. A narrowing interest rate differential and mounting concerns over the US budget deficit are two of the factors that may put pressure on the dollar in the medium term, according to UBS's Chief Investment Officer CIO. These factors could lead to an even steeper drop in the dollar's value, which UBS already claims is weakening, following a 5% slide since June. Consequently, the DXY, or dollar index, has shed some ground. Permit me to quickly bring it up for everyone. The hourly is presented here. To gain a better grasp, examine the daily chart. Although there has been a small increase recently, the overall trend since the money printing high in mid-2022 has been a fall, and now we are seeing even more of a decline, isn't it so? Apparently, they're saying I ought to descend here. The unpredictability of the election climate is naturally a topic of conversation. Some of the strategies that have been suggested to mitigate the impact of further depreciation include currency hedging, futures, swaps, and options for hedge share classes. They respond by saying that UBS recommends that those who have a lot of assets denominated in US dollars re-evaluate their investments as stated in the paragraph above. Following this introduction, the essay delves into a number of recommendations, including investing 101, the Swiss franc's strength, the potential diversification benefits of gold, and more. This is because the Swiss central bank is being very careful about lowering interest rates due to present geopolitical worries, which may not make sense to anyone who isn't a currency investor. The advice they're giving you is to sell your US dollars. 2 more rate cuts are planned, according to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. With inflation being at a steady state, 2 more decreases are planned for this year. The problem is that global markets simply don't care. The US dollar's stability remains a source of concern for them. Hence, diversify your wagers. Honestly, I am clueless as to how this will pan out in different parts of the US market. However, pay attention, this is fascinating. Cassie Corn Bank, once known as K-Bank, has been authorized by the Thai Ministry of Finance to list XRP and provide digital asset custody services under the Orbix custodian brand. Here you can see something. I get it, Ripple is on sale at Cassie Corn Bank. A simple and secure way to enter the cryptocurrency market is to purchase XRP on the main exchange in partnership with Cassie Corn Bank. Thus, they have established ties to the Mexican market. If you follow this comprehensive guide, you can fund your CAB Corn Bank account with XRP. This led them to propose Orbix as a digital asset escrow service. Chad is also leaving a comment below, with Cassie. When it came to XRP regulated digital asset custody in Thailand, Corn Bank was an early adopter. They intended to provide digital asset custody through the Orbix custodian bank. Now that it has the certification, it may provide its services to Thai businesses dealing in digital assets under the watchful eye of the SEC. Sorry about the double post, Chad meant this as the supplementary piece. Launching in early 2025 is the target launch window for the bank's systems. The announcement that K-Bank, also known as Cassie Corn Bank, a Thai bank, now supports XRP on its platform is an interesting new move. Rest assured, all the necessary arrangements for trading in Thailand have been made. I only wanted to express my gratitude to Chad Stingraver for publishing it, Stephanie Starfolks. Would you believe it's been a few months since our connection with Meld Gold Ripple ended? Have Ripple and Meld Gold collaborated to launch XRP coins that are collateralized by gold and silver? Its presence dates back to June. One leading US-based financial technology company is Meld Gold, while another is Ripple. They've joined forces to launch 2 additional stablecoins on the XRP network. The underlying precious metals will support the tokens, which will each represent 1 gram of gold or silver. Seriously, dudes, you can completely exchange them for physical gold. Thus, the most popular precious metals, gold and silver, are currently being tokenized. Additional stablecoins backed by gold will most likely be issued on the XRP ledger as a consequence of this move. The initial integration of Meld Gold will bring fungible gold and silver assets to the XRPL in the third quarter of 2024, as previously stated in June. The answer is yes, everyone, because they did validate their first transaction on mainnet. As of the end of the third quarter of 2024 on September 29, the XRP ledger and the tokenization of gold were complete. Plus extra. Let the rollout go all the way into October. As promised, Stephanie Starr has delivered the big news. The XRP ledger will support the tokenization of precious metals like gold and silver using Merge Gold. The notion of tokenizing precious metals and fiat currency will both need re-evaluation in the event of this financial reset. Also, I've always thought it was important to hold on to valuable metals like gold and silver. Hey everyone, I wanted to give a shout out to Stephanie Starr for bringing to our light some additional news on our Ripple partner Rakbank. Manyati, a Middle Eastern provider of payment solutions, has lately partnered with them. Manyati and Rakbank have formed a strategic partnership to create a merchant financing platform. Manyati will grant credit to small and medium-sized enterprises by utilizing Rakbank's real-time point-of-sale transaction data converted into decision criteria for improved underwriting judgments. Although it may be challenging, Magnati and Rakbank intend to assist SMEs with their financial requirements, demands and preferences more efficiently. They are using blockchain technology to make this happen. Together, the two organizations aim to make it easier for merchants to apply for loans using Magnati's payment technology and to better manage their cash flow by removing repayments from daily payouts. Everything is therefore quite interesting. Banks and other financial institutions are partnering with other firms to construct a variety of apps, which is leading to more and more advances in this area. Furthermore, it appears that the implementation of blockchain technology for these many financial uses is primarily a matter of procedure. Now we have the smart contracts. In my opinion, this is why Ripple has been working so hard to provide a smart contract solution that works with the XRP ledger. Additionally, knowing that the XRPL can talk to different formats is supported by strong reasoning. Do you not think this is it? Interoperability is critical for the seamless processing of such transactions and procedures. Your attention in watching my video is greatly appreciated. After you're done, please subscribe and give me your feedback.